I'm Dylan Croft, and we're gonna play lightning with my little brother, my little sister, on this little mini hoop, so my brother can touch. So I'm gonna mount you guys on the hoop. Can you see? Yes. Okay, we're gonna play best out of 3. You can put the ball in there, and here we go. You get there. Right, you get this ball. You get this ball. In your spot.
Where's the money ball?
Hey, just go. Ready, set, go. Shoot. Let me shoot. Hey, hurry, get back up. Hurry. Go. Make it, Olivia. Hey, you're out here. Throw the ball back to me. Okay. Hey, let me see this ball. No. Made it.
Still playing. Still playing. Still playing. I lied about 3 games. So, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like this video.